Are you looking for the best electric scooters for commuting? In this video we will look at some of the best electric scooters for commuting on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Mankeel MX14 800 watts electric scooter. 800 watts motor power. Effortlessly glide with the Mankeel MX14's powerful 800 watts motor, delivering swift speeds up to 28 miles per hour. 48 volts 15Ah battery. Explore up to 37 miles on a single charge with the scooter's 48 volts 15Ah battery, ensuring long-lasting adventures. IP54 waterproof grade. Ride confidently in any weather with the IP54 waterproof rating, keeping your commute uninterrupted. Aluminium alloy frame, durable and lightweight. The aluminium alloy frame provides a sturdy foundation for your daily rides. 20 degrees climbing angle, conquer inclines with ease, thanks to the scooter's impressive 20 degrees climbing angle for off-road versatility. Number 2. EVERCROSS A1 electric scooter. The A1 features a robust 48 volts 14Ah battery that provides with a maximum range of up to 31 miles on a single charge without worrying about running out of power. Equipped with an 800 watts motor, delivers an exhilarating ride that effortlessly reaches speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. Bluetooth connected app and intuitive LED display screen, from battery status to speed and more. All the essential information is right at your fingertips. With an easy-to-use folding mechanism, just 50.7 inches 25.5 25.1 when folded, weighing in at only 48.7 pounds, can be your perfect commuter transportation to school, work or short adventure. Featuring innovative faux hydraulic spring suspension and reliable spring suspension at the rear. Navigate varied terrains with confidence. Thanks to the rugged 10x2.75 front and rear honeycomb solid tires, you'll glide over bumps and uneven surfaces effortlessly, enjoying a smooth and controlled ride every time. With front drum brakes and rear electric brakes, the A1 empowers you with precise control over your ride. Feel the confidence of swift and efficient braking, complemented by the added safety of handlebar-controlled motor disengagement for instant stopping power. Crafted from robust aluminium alloy, strikes the perfect balance between lightweight design and sturdiness. Number 3. Folding commuting electric scooter. Simply pair APP electric scooter with your smartphone and use the app to lock, unlock, light on, off, gears, start mode, zero start or non-zero start, customized set maximum speed, cruise control, etc. As a worthwhile commuting e-scooter, scooter electric for adults. Improved 8.5-inch durable solid tires, which deliver excellent shock absorption. With a stable aluminium frame, you can see this scooter accelerate extremely smooth even turning. The dual brake system features disc braking and EABS regenerative anti-lock braking, providing safer and more stable braking. You can clearly check the current speed mode, cruise control on your LED display. It can automatically illuminate in the dark, significantly improving the safety of riders in low light or nighttime conditions. When braking, the safety warning taillights will flash to prevent rear-end collisions. The comfortable handlebars provide a more relaxed riding position and more flexible control, avoiding fatigue caused by using straight handlebars. Number 4. Electric scooter 10 inches solid tires. The upgraded 600 watts electric brushless motor allows for speeds up to 19 miles per hour. High capacity battery with a max travel range of up to 20 miles under specific conditions, and max load of 220 pounds. One-step folding system for easy portability. Adult electric scooter can be folded with ease in mere 3 seconds. You can carry it on public transportation, store it in your car and any destination you desire effortlessly. Scooter for adults. A front and rear wheel equipped with 10-inch solid tires are designed to make riding more convenient and less hassle, provide max comfort, even on rough surfaces or speed bumps. The solid tire of scooters does not require inflation, repair, maintenance. Number 5. XINmotion, a foldable scooter. XINmotion, a foldable scooter with a simple structure and convenient use, featuring dual wing pedals designed for adult commuting.